Good morning. Do you ever find yourself answering questions in a sort of dyslectic way? Normally, when I'm asked a question, like I was this morning, what do you do? I normally tell them. But in fact, I found myself actually telling people, there were three people, what I don't do. So I thought I'd share that with you. What I don't do is fix you. I don't focus on what's wrong with you, and I absolutely do not give you any instant gratification. Sorry about that. Now, if you happen to be someone, like I definitely was, by the way, who just went from one short-term energy relieving habit to another, which, by the way, most of us do, and they work, but the key is short-term energy relieving habits. If you're one of those people that's still discovering that they work, don't work, whatever, then don't come near my work. But if you happen to be someone like I myself definitely was, where suddenly all the short-term energy relieving habits and their consequences caught up with me, like a kind of higgledy-piggledy, discombobulated mess that I found myself in, then perhaps you would like to join us as we unravel and give you your own superpowers, which means that you don't have to keep on seeking instant gratification tips and tricks. So that's what I don't do, and that is what I do do. Having it was fun, and come and join us if you want to. Take care. Bye-bye.